Hey, thank you for clicking on the video about my Stihl MS250. It's a great chainsaw and it's been awesome. I've had it for about 3 years now. And just recently, I did put a new bar on it and I opted not to go with a Stihl. I found this bar on Amazon and it came with a chain. So this is the bar that I did have. And you see how it was just beginning to get to be time. It's starting to show itself there. And then when I got pinched up in there, I just thought, you know what? It's time. When you're starting it, you're going to want to put the choke all the way down into full choke, and then you're going to want to pull it until you get it to turn. There you go. Now that it's done that, we're going to bump it up. There we are. Got to stack them. You want to stack them? Yeah. Alrighty, and then here takes mixed gas right there, and then your bar oil lubricant right there. Chain oil right in there. And we'll get to the part that you really want to see.
What is that box?
The cutting. I'm happy with this chainsaw though. We've had it 3 years and it's never given me any issues. You ready?
Yeah?
Alright. Here we go. Stay back, okay, buddy? So this tree here is coming down.